Hi everyone, learn how to easily generate a repeating cycle of numbers like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 in Excel using a simple dynamic array formula. So in this video, we combine MOD and sequence to create a repeating numbers pattern without manual copying or complex formula. So for this, you need to put the equal signs, type MOD, open the bracket, type sequence, open the bracket, 12 comma 0 that generates number 0 through 11, close the bracket, and then comma space 3 that finds the remainder when dividing by 3, close the bracket, space plus 1 that adding adjust the cycle to 1 to 3 and hit enter, and here it is. This is so simple and easy. So this way you can easily repeat a cycle number in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.